What's up guys, I'm 3D printing a heart-shaped cookie cutter for Valentine's Day, so let's go. So the cutter came out alright. Now just remember that this plastic was PLA, so it could be used with food. Thanks for watching the video and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, hit that like button, or you can subscribe by hitting the button up here. Now I've also got a couple more videos up here on this side, and I've also got my cryptocurrency channel over here, so go check that out. But thanks again for watching and we'll see you next time.